Hello and welcome back to Black and Blue Garage. Today I'm not going to be working on the Jeep, so if you're really excited to see work done on this Jeep, then go ahead and watch last weekend's video or hang out with me because I'm going to be doing this back wall right here with some OBS plywood, insulation, and a couple of big shelves. already feel so much better in here with all this insulation and plywood up. I put up these industrial shelves to replace the little wire rack one that I had. Each shelf that I bought is supposed to hold 10,000 pounds. I'll never put that much on there, but it means that I was able to use it as scaffolding for putting up this stuff. I just have this one little corner to do back here. I just have to clean up my scrap metal right here, put it in a big can, and then I can finish that up and we can move on to another project. One thing about these big shelves is I bought 2 kits, and they're supposed to have 4 shelves per each unit, but instead of putting one on the very bottom, I'm using the bottoms just to roll things underneath it, like my jacks and my welder and stuff like that. I took the 2 bottom shelves from each unit that I bought and connected the 2 right in the middle. So I'll still be able to use the top shelf for storage and things like that. I'll be able to hang a light off the bottom of the top shelf, and I'm using this middle shelf here as a workspace where I can stand up and work on things, maybe disassemble a transmission or whatever. I don't know yet, but it gives me an extra space to work on things, and that'll be good. All right, now let's insulate and do this last corner. Obviously it's colder standing right in front of the AC while it's blowing all around, but I really like this. It's just how I pictured it in my head. I have tons of storage space. I'm still gonna, organize the shelves because everything is just kind of out of boxes and bins. But this is gonna be a huge improvement on my workspace. I've got this shelf right here to work off of. I'll put a light above it so that I can look down and I can, take my exhaust pieces and do all my fun fabrications and stuff. So anyways, let me know what you thought of this whole project in the comments, and I will see you next weekend. It's 100% not perfect.